Anyway, so what we are doing today, we are doing brown sugar glazed chicken and jasmine rice, because you guys know I love me my rice. We already ended up cooking the chicken. Got that out of the way because it was good. It's breaded chicken, just that stuff that you can kind of pick up from the store. I already did this recipe once, and I didn't particularly care for how the sauce ended up turning out. So we're trying breaded chicken in hopes of that it's going to make it better. We'll see though. So we're going to start off bowl. We're going to chop up our chicken. So chicken's all done. All breaded chicken ready to go. So we're going to set that aside. We are going to go ahead and get the rice going. We're using jasmine rice. And with this, it is, for every 1 cup, it is 1.5 cups of water. So we're going to do 1 cup of rice. And then we're going to do 1.5 cups of water. We're not going to put it on heat yet, but we are going to at least set it back here ready to go. Our next little pot that we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting our sauce in here. So I'm going to move this over here closer to me, which we're going to go ahead and start getting that ready now. I want to have extra sauce, so we're going to triple up the recipe. So with soy sauce, which we have the low sodium soy sauce, we're going to go ahead, instead of doing the 2 tablespoons of this guy, we're actually going to do 6. Alright, so 6. Alright, so from there we need to do 2, which would be 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. We're actually going to do 6. This is to help thicken it up a little bit. Okay. We will not need this again, so we'll set it over here out of the way. 3/4 of a cup of stock, chicken stock. Again, though, we are going to be tripling up the recipe, so. Alright. And then lastly, we need to do our brown sugar, and then we can start mixing it all up. So with the brown sugar, we actually are going to need 1 tablespoon, so it would be 3 tablespoons. And a portion. Cool. Alright, we won't need this anymore either. So now that we're done with what we're going to be using for the sauce, we just need to stir it up. Stir it for a little bit. Now you're in our kitchen too. Hey! We do have the chicken diced up ready to go. We have the sauce ready to go. We already got the rice ready to go. So we're going to transfer the sauce. This pepper stir fry you can pick up at your local grocery store. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to get these under some heat. With some oil, a little bit of soy sauce to add a little bit of saltiness. Not much, just enough. Then we're going to start getting the chicken thrown in there as well. Get the sauce going. Get the heat underneath the rice going. So let's go ahead and start popping here. Add a little bit of oil to the pan. Not a lot, just a little bit. Veggies are starting to sweat. Rice is starting to boil. Sauce is starting to thicken. While we're waiting, we'll go ahead and we'll do the green onions. I got you covered, boo! Hey, Bloodwolf, thank you for that host. And raid. Alright. These are sweating, good to go. We're going to go ahead and add the chicken in. We're also going to add some soy sauce. Rice is about done. Chicken is going. Sauce is going. Okay. We need to go ahead and dice up these to get them ready to go. Hey, Miss Leah, thank you for subbing. What is going on? We do have our green onions ready to go. So, chicken is about done. Rice is about done. I just gotta get that sauce to thicken. It's giving me a hard time right now. It's getting there though. Turn up the heat a little bit on it and see if we can get it going a little bit better. Bees! Don't even, goddamn. Well, we're about to plate momentarily. Hey, I'm a piece of toast. I'm a piece of toast. Does that make you hungry, Blood? This? Oh, man. I'm on fire now. What the hell's going on? That's all you get! Honestly, that's probably one of my favorite ones.
Oh, yeah.
Get a little handsy. Oh God, you're gonna piss off Muggle Mama right now. Here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and glaze. Just to kick it up a slight notch, you got to do that green onions. There we go. The real question is, how's the chicken? Which, oh my God, just look how that just, look at that. Look at that. Oh man. I'm done.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you do like the content and stuff you end up seeing, make sure you slap that like button. And we are having our holiday sale for all of our merch, which you'll be seeing the video now. If you do like anything, make sure you end up clicking the link in the description down below. And if you did, again, like the content, make sure you slap that like button and subscribe. It does mean the world to me. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys next time.